Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Bansal. Today we are going to see the problem of the day. So the problem name is maximum array value after rearrangement. So let's understand the problem, then we will see the code of that problem. Okay, so maximum array value after rearrangement. So let's firstly understand the question. Okay, so now the question says that they have given you array of n integers. Okay, your task is to write a program to find the maximum value. Okay, we have to find the maximum value of the array and which the sum, so this is the basically the sign of sum, where I equals to 0 1 2 and n minus 1, you are allowed to rearrange the element of the array. Okay, so I think the question might not be very clear to you. Okay, let's understand the question on the board. So basically they have given you a array of n integers. We have to maximize the sum of the array. How we have to maximize the sum of the array? Basically, like see, they have given you the element like this: 3 5 3 2 4 1. So basically we have to arrange these items like that, so that if I just multiply all these elements by their indexes. Okay, please listen to me very carefully. We have to arrange this element so that if I just multiply these elements by their indexes, the sum would be maximum. Okay, so what if I just don't rearrange them? So what is the indexes over here? Indexes is 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so basically if I just multiply it with indexes, 5 into 0, that is 0, 3 into 1, that is 3, 2 into 2, that is 4, and 4 threes are, that is 12, and 4 ones are 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 8, plus 2 20, that is going to be 23. If I just don't rearrange them, then the maximum sum would be 23. But what if I just rearrange them? Okay, so basically if we just see that if I want to maximum this array, okay, now the indexes keeps on increasing on the right. Okay, so what if the value on the right side should be maximum? Okay, for this I think you might got the approach in your mind, that if we just sort the array. Okay, if we just sort the array 1 2 3 4 and 5, if I just sort the array, then if I just multiply it with the indexes, 0 indexes, 0 1 2 3 and 4. So 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 2, that is going to be 2, 2 into 3, that is going to be 6, 4 threes are, that is going to be 12, 5 fours are 20. So now the sum is going to be 40. The sum is going to be 40. You can see over here as well, the sum is going to be 40. Okay, so the question is very simple. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to just sort the array. Okay, we have to just sort the array. If we just sort the array, okay, if we just sort the array, then what we have to do, we just have to multiply it with the indexes. Okay, and also they have given you one more situation. Says the output could be so large, print the answer in modulo 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. Okay, we have to use the modulo as well. So how we have done the question, let's see over here. So firstly we have taken the length of the array, then we have take the mod value. It is given into the basically the question statement. Now we have applied the rs.sort. Basically it's the built-in method to sort the array. Then we have taken a value as long answer to store our answer. Then we have run a for loop. Okay, basically over here, then we have done nothing, but we have taken this answer, plus we are multiplying the index with this, and we are also taking the mod and the mode of the whole as well, and now we are returning the answer over here. So let's run this program. Okay, let's run this program. Let's compile and run. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so the question is submitted. Thank you for seeing this video. Hope you have liked this, and thank you.